Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make cheese lasagna with no meat. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need about 15 ounces of ricotta cheese, 8 ounces of shredded mozzarella, and 1/2 cup of grated Parmesan. Grab a box of no-boil lasagna noodles and your favorite marinara sauce. Fresh basil is also a wonderful addition for flavor. Now, let's assemble this delicious dish. Start by spreading about 1 cup of marinara sauce evenly on the bottom of a 9 by 13-inch baking dish. Next, place a single layer of no-boil noodles over the sauce, making sure they don't overlap too much. Then, spread about 1/3 of your ricotta and mozzarella mixture over the noodles. Repeat these layers until your ingredients are used up. It's time to bake your masterpiece. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Cover the baking dish tightly with aluminum foil. Bake for 25 minutes, then remove the foil and continue baking for another 20 minutes, or until the cheese is bubbly and golden brown. This ensures a perfectly cooked and delicious lasagna every time. Your amazing cheese lasagna is ready to enjoy. Let it rest for about 10 minutes after baking to help it set, making it easier to slice and serve. Garnish with some fresh parsley or basil for a pop of color and extra flavor. This dish pairs wonderfully with a crisp green salad and some crusty bread. For other great deals, including the darn tough socks mentioned, check the link in the description below.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.